look a little petrified. Should we call the ambulance? Maybe you need to take a little trip down to the cellar for a little wine. Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and ghouls, robots, monsters, goblins, and fools. Hello to all the freaks and the geeks, and the yummy little children with the rosy red cheeks. Samatronics Halloween Extreme is proud to present the Monster Nuts Bolts and Volts Robotics Extravaganza.
Hey, wait a minute there, Witch Snaggletooth. I am green, I am hairy, and my trash can might smell, but I am not a monster, and I am not a mutt or a nut. Well, I guess maybe I am a nut because I'm talking to a robot witch. Good night.
Well, boys and ghouls, what do you think? Should we put the green grouch into the magic brew?
Yeah! Cook him up!
Maybe we should cook him up. What do you think? Put him in the brew, yeah? You think so? We should cook him up. Let's cook him up. Put him in the brew, yes.
Well, I am rather hungry, and I do like green. Plus, it's not like I'm counting calories over here. Let's cook him up.
Yikes, get me out of here.
Welcome to my magic kitchen. Before we begin, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Witch Hagatha von Stegelmeister, but all my enemies call me Witch Snaggletooth. This means that if you are wise, you too will call me Witch Snaggletooth.
Now, what about me? My name is Morpheus, and I'm not just some low-account, pizza-faced, beer-drinking, cow pie kicker from down south. When I was alive, my name was Morty. But now that I'm dead, these fools call me Meathead. You can call me Morpheus.
Silence!
Who cares?
Hi.
We'll just let all these brave guys
I'm not dead.
do all the
That's
yakking.
right, I'm not.
Stop it.
I'm not dead. Bonehead,
Shut it.
that's my name. Yep, I'm not dead. No, I'm not.
Shut
I'm
it.
not dead.
Stop it.
My name's Bonehead Ned, and I'm
Stop
not
it.
dead.
Shut it! Stop it! Shut it! Stop it! Silence! Silence!
Oh, yep. I don't know. That zombie walker. A lot of noise. That zombie
Stop
can
it.
hear us. That zombie walker's gonna be
Shut
coming
it.
out here any minute. Well, I don't know.
Stop it! Shut it! Stop it!
Well, I'm not too worried about it. There's not much
Stop
heat
it.
on me.
Shut it! Stop! Stop it! Shut it! Stop
Now
it!
what's going on out there? I'm
Stop
trying to
it.
sleep in here.
Shut it!
You goons are all crazy.
Stop it!
All
Shut
that
it!
noise
Stop
here
it!
is going to attract that zombie walker.
Stop it!
Oh no!
Shut
I
it.
think I see her now.
Stop! Stop
She
it!
looks
Shut
hungry.
it! Stop it!
Yup, and here comes my cousin. And you know she ain't never paid no never mind to me nohow.
Yay! Next time you might want to make a run for it and trip someone.
I always had a thing for that woman. She still dresses well. She still has that sexy walk. Or now more maybe of a wobble, I guess. Well, anyway, love hurts.
Hey, I'm not dead. So I guess you just didn't notice me because I was hiding down inside my can. And Pothead was safe down inside his pot.
No, wrong, you green goon. You're all crazy. The walker left us all alone because none of us are alive. We're all just freak show robots. And zombie walkers don't find us very edible. Or entertaining, for that matter.
Oh, speak for yourself, Witch Snaggletooth. I don't have any meat on my bones, so I'm not very edible, but I think I find myself pretty entertaining.
Shut those pumpkin pie holes, you jabbering idiots. I get no respect around here. Whose magic kitchen is this anyway? Maybe my spells are starting to wear off these graveyard ghouls and fools. I am 201 years old, you know. Well, maybe my spells are not what they used to be. Well, you know, just because there is snow on the rooftop, it does not mean that there isn't still heat in the furnace.
You know, I don't smoke, I don't drink, and I don't gamble. Plus, I am not really dead, so I don't ever really sleep. So, I get a little bored late at night. So, for entertainment, I like to read tombstones. Now, I was creeping around the graveyard last night, and I stumbled into a sweet tombstone. Well, actually, I tripped and smashed my numbskull right into it. Another trip like that would be another trip to the chiropractor. Last time I went to the chiropractor, they tried to mount me on their wall.
Well, that would have been good.
Well, anyway, back to my trip and fall story. So, there I was lying face down in the middle of the cemetery. I looked up, and to my delight and surprise, this tombstone was funny. I liked it so much that I tried to carry it home with me, but it was too big and heavy for my skinny, rattling old bones. Boy, do I miss biceps. My tombstone is cheap and light like me, so as you can see, I carry it with me everywhere I go. I use my tombstone to prop up my skinny old junk. Isn't that sweet?
Brother, for the sake of old bones and tombstones, just get back in your grave.
For your information, Crouchy, I am not dead. I don't have a grave. That is my bed back there. And the only reason it is 6 feet deep is so I don't have to hear you complain all the time.
Yeah, and that goes ditto for me. I've heard enough babbling for one day. Hey, Bonehead, listen up.
Yeah? What now, Morphus?
About how long did it take for your face to fall off?
I don't know. It has been sagging off since I turned about 40. Then one day I had a bad dream that I had died, and when I woke up, my face was gone.
Oh, jeepers creepers. He still thinks that was a dream. Read your own tombstone. When you were alive, your name was Ned, and now you're a dead bonehead.
Yeah, Grouchy, you know he just ain't never gonna get it. Ain't nothing ever gonna sink into that old numbskull.
I am not dead. This is not my graffitied tombstone. This is just what I borrowed from a dead guy named Ned to prop up my skinny junk. Again, and I repeat, do I look dead? Well, do I? Anyway, meathead, why do you ask about my shining, hardcore, bone white, and smooth complexion?
Well, Bonehead, you see, I was just wondering about how long it might take for my face to fall off. The ladies of the evening don't take much liking to me. I don't rightly care for it much. And makeup don't seem to make any difference anymore.
You gotta be freaking kidding me.
Now why they always have to laugh and poke at us short guys?
You might want to keep it quiet. And don't forget about that walker.
Oh, I wish I could forgive
Must
my
we keep up this jibber-jabber graveyard yickety-yak nonsense blah blah blah?
I have to agree with Witch Snaggletooth. This is hideous.
Jabber, jibber, jabber, yakety yak, blah, 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 cackle, 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 blah, 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 yakety yak, jibber, jabber, jibber, jabber, yakety yak, jibber, jabber, yakety yak, blah, 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 jibber, jabber, yakety yak, cackle, cackle.
As I walked out on the streets of Laredo, as I walked out on Laredo one day, I spied a young cowboy.
My name's Bonehead Ned, and I'm not dead. That's right, I'm not dead. Bonehead Ned, that's my name. Yep, I'm not dead. No, I'm not. I'm not dead. My name's Bonehead Ned, and I'm not dead.
Hang down your head there, pothead. Hang down your head and cry. Hang down your head there, grouchy. You know
Oh,
that
fiddlesticks.
you're gonna die.
Oh, fiddlesticks! Boneheads, meatheads, potheads, trash heads, pumpkin heads. Shut your pumpkin pie holes. Just too many Emmy Award winners around here. It's starting to sound like a political debate. Hey, maybe you could all pack it up and head for Washington. You might fit in well over there. I would love to have my kitchen back. I'm getting too old for this drama. Too many graveyard goons, not enough shovels to keep them all 6 feet under. If you don't believe you're all robots, then you're all dead. So just get back into your graves.
All right, now you've gone and done it. Don't say I didn't warn you.
So the Reaper's gonna get you. Did that scare you?
Yes.
No, it didn't.
Welcome to Monster Nuts, Bolts, and Balls!
The creepy doll shed.
Hey, what's shaking? Would you like to get together? Maybe a little later? Are you feeling a little lonely like me? Well, anyway, would you just like to get together and maybe party a little bit? What do you say? How about it? A little bit of caffeine wouldn't hurt anybody.
Once again, full of booze, children dressed in costumes, jack-o'-lanterns come alive and sing this Swedish tune. Witches fly upon their brooms, spirits rise from their tombs, fighters by the night, and apple candy to consume. And when they're through, they'll leave you with a final. And the sky is clear, the pumpkins rise up just once a year, from hollow ground we can be found.
The children like us big and round.